Howdy cowboys and cowgirls, I'm Cowboy Jack, and today I'm really excited. We're here with my friends at Blazing Bins in Spring, Texas. These guys are the experts on cleaning trash cans. Did you know how gross a trash can can be? I mean, it's a really icky place, but these people have a special truck, this big thing that we're gonna get to look all around and learn all about how you can clean those up and keep them smelling fresh, because a lot of us keep them in our garage or even off the side of our house. You don't want all that stink around, and they have the cure for that, and it also is really good for the environment and gets rid of all that nasty bacteria. So I'm here with my friend Blaze. Hey Blaze, how's it going today? Give me 5. Woo! You are so cool. So this is their mascot, Blaze. It's the Blazing Bin Blaze trash can. That is so cool. And you like to go out to like parades and things like that and get to meet kiddos, right? Well, thanks for letting us take a look around your truck. I mean, could you show us what it is? Or do I need to meet that guy? Oh, all right, let's go meet this guy. Hey, how's it going?
Good, yourself?
Good, I'm Cowboy Jack.
I'm Richard Shubin.
Very nice to meet you. So this is your truck?
Yes, it is.
In your business?
Yes, sir.
So every single day you're going to work and you're cleaning people's trash cans?
Every day.
That's incredible, because people don't realize how important that is. And why is that so important?
So all the things that you clean in your household, like your kitchen sink, your bathtub, your toilets, you throw them into your trash cans, and all those diseases and the germs, they just grow, especially this humid heat that we have.
Yeah.
It just spreads like crazy. So we want to keep them clean just like the rest of your house.
That's so cool. And so this truck is specially equipped just for that.
Yes, sir.
And you get to drive this. I mean, this thing is huge. This is so cool. I mean, Cowboy Jack is about 6 feet tall. This thing has got to be way taller than that.
Yes, it is.
But wow, look, I mean, there's all kinds of devices on here. So what is this part back here?
So this is a hydraulic lifter. This is what we use to raise the trash cans.
Oh, so it works on hydraulics?
Yes, sir.
That is cool. So that's what all these little hoses are?
Yes, sir.
Guys, we learn about hydraulics all the time. It's so cool because it uses the power of fluid to actually make things move, like this rod right here and all those things. Wow, so it uses hydraulics to lift the cans up?
Yes, it does.
How does it lift them up? I mean, that is crazy.
So we have a controller over here that we're able to lower the lifter with. So we push the button and it comes down.
Wow.
And then we push another button and it closes and opens. So it squeezes those trash cans really tight.
That's almost like a big robot. That is such a cool piece of machinery. That's amazing. And then it just lifts it up and then does, how do you clean them? What do you use to clean them?
So we use 190-degree hot water. These heads are made to spin in 360 degrees, and those nozzles go up and down. So it kind of does this kind of motion.
You got a little water dance going on in there. That is so cool. Guys, look at those heads. That is so cool. All that spins around and moves in and out and all that, and it gets it really clean. And so all that bad water must fall back into here.
So we don't want all this dirty water falling back on the ground. We collect it in our hopper, and then we go specialized places to dump the gray water. Yes,
that is so cool. Where do you get your water from to clean the bins?
So we use regular drinking water that we use here at the shop. We fill it back up every day with fresh, clean water. We do not recycle the water. It's clean water every time.
Wait a second, so do you have a swimming pool in there?
A little small one. We have a tank.
Guys, look at this. Wow, I see a lot of equipment. This is crazy.
So this holds roughly about 600 gallons of clean water. 600
gallons, look how big that tank is. That's crazy. Does it make it feel funny when you're driving, like when it's sloshing around?
When you stop, it still keeps rocking like a waterbed.
That is so cool. What are these big things? I mean, these look like cooking pots almost.
Now this is what heats the water up to 190 degrees water. These are 2 heaters that run with the 2 pumps, which supply the 2 spinning heads.
Okay, so you take the water from there into these heaters, and then it goes out to the spinning heads out there.
Through these hoses, yes sir.
And then I'm assuming it falls down into there, and then you collect it in this tank?
Yes, and this tank can hold roughly about 400 gallons of dirty water.
So this is all the gross stuff right here?
Yes sir.
And you dispose of that in an environmentally friendly way. We wouldn't want that to get all over the ground, because like we're cleaning trash cans out, and you wouldn't want all that ick to go on just on the streets or anything.
Exactly.
And so you haul this to a specialty dumping site where they can do whatever they do to clean it back and get it back to use. That's so cool. I absolutely love this thing. I had no idea you had all this equipment back here. I was just looking at this beautiful shiny truck that you have and thinking that's all it works. But wow, this thing is really big. Guys, come around here. So up front, it just looks like a normal truck, right? But if you didn't see the back, you'd have no idea what was going on back there. This is amazing. Wow, and then there's your logo. I love your logo. Hey, that's Blaze right there. We just got to meet Blaze. That's so cool. Oh, and veteran-owned business. Sir, are you a veteran?
Yes, I am.
Well, thank you very much for your service. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
That's incredible. I absolutely love veteran-owned businesses. Wow, now right here on the truck, I see some pictures. Look at this. This is like a before and after. So that's like a really dirty trash can before it's been cleaned. It's got all this debris and yard waste and trash. And then after cleaning, it looks sparkly fresh. That is so cool. Hey, Mr. Richard, is there any way we could see this thing in action?
Sure we can.
Awesome. Guys, y'all want to watch this thing actually clean a trash can? All right, so if we're gonna see how we clean trash cans, we're gonna need some trash cans. I've got Cowboy Bryce and Mr. Richard gonna bring over some dirty, dirty trash cans for us.
Cowboy Jack, can you lower it for me?
Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna lower this down.
Watch out, Bruce.
That was so cool. And look, see, Cowboy Bryce is gonna bring that in right there. Awesome work, dude. Hey, give me 5. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. All right, so we've got some really, really stinky. Oh, whoa! Mr. Richard, what kind of trash cans you got here, man? Those are stinky, stinky.
The best kind, stinky ones.
All right, well, let's get them cleaned up.
All right.
All right, so what's the first step?
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the outside. So I'm gonna spray with this wand here, the outside, the lid, and then we're gonna turn around and spray the backside.
Okay.
And then we'll lift it up, and then we'll go through cleaning the inside as well.
Super cool. Well, I'm just gonna stay here and watch.
All right.
God, look at that. He's using high pressure water spray to clean off the outside of those trash cans. All right, now he's going to spray the back of it. Look, it's going up. It's going to go right over those spinning heads right there. That is so cool. Wow, guys, come take a look at this. Look up in there. Wow. It is spinning so fast and it's spraying that 190-degree water. You can see the steam coming off now. That was so cool. Is that all it takes?
That's all it takes.
Wow, and they're already all cleaned up.
All clean.
Woo, I can see the steam coming out of them. That's that hot water, right?
Yes, sir.
And that is really hot because 212 degrees Fahrenheit is boiling. So 190 is really close to that. Wow, guys, take a look in there. I mean, you could eat off of that trash can. I wouldn't advise it, but you could if you really wanted to or got in a bad spot. Wow, that is super duper clean. I can't believe how fast that is, how efficient that is, and how incredible it was to watch. I mean, when you said these things spin around, they really do. We were watching stuff fly all over the place. That was so cool. And also important to note that all of that water that was used and all the gunk that came out of here fell into here and it goes into that black water reservoir, so it's not spilled on the ground here. Wow, so what now?
So now we're gonna wipe them down. We're gonna inspect them just to make sure we got everything. So we stick our head in every single trash can.
Wow, that is dedication and a true testament to the fact that these trash cans are clean. I bet a lot of people don't think about how dirty the underside of your lid gets, but that probably smells really bad sometimes.
Yeah, but especially when you fill it up all the way, those trash bags are touching the lid. And then we bring it over here. And we spray it with our deodorizer and our sanitizer.
Okay. That's like an industrial strength deodorizer to kill any of those lingering smells.
Correct.
That is so nice, because now when you put your trash can back in your garage, it's not going to have any of that stink to it.
Exactly.
Boy, I know my garage gets stinking, but that's why I'm glad I have you guys to clean it for me.
That's what we're here for.
All right, cowboys and cowgirls. Wow, what an adventure we've had today. I'm so glad you came along with us here with my friends at Blazing Bins so we could learn all about trash can cleaning and this incredible machine, this truck that they have. It has been so much fun, but you know what? It's getting kind of hot out here. I better go. Wait a second, are you guys laughing at my hair again? All right, let me put my hat back on. Well, thank you guys so much for showing us around and teaching us all about trash can cleaning. I've had a blast, and I know these guys had a good time too. Would you guys mind doing the yeehaw with me?
Sure will.
All right, so I'm gonna count us off. 1, 2, 3.
Yeehaw!